Namaskar friends, welcome to Mohan Genix. I hope all of you are safe and healthy and your study is also going well. As of now, we have already discussed how to calculate energy for different types of signal. In this lecture, we will solve a conceptual question. So without any delay, पढ़ाई शुरू करते हैं. So friends, this is the question. In this waveform, we have to calculate the energy. As all of us know, formula for energy is E equal to integration of mod xt square dt from minus infinity to plus infinity. So to calculate the energy of this xt, we have to find the mod of xt. So how can we find mod of xt? For this, what we have to do is very simple. Just we have to change the negative parts of this signal into positive. How we can do this? By just drawing a symmetrical waveform across x-axis. This means we can draw it like this, as the signal is like this along negative y-axis. So what we have to do? Just we have to make a symmetrical signal across positive y-axis or across x-axis. This is x-axis. Okay. So what we have to do? We simply draw like this. So what will be this value? This is the same as this, but as this is on positive side, it will be plus 2. See, this is minus 2, it will become plus 2. And positive side will remain as it is. So, it will become like this. Understood? Its value is also 2 as given in the question. Okay, hence we got mod xt. And what are these value? This is the 0, this is plus 1, same as the question, and this will be minus 1. Okay, now come back into this formula. What we have to do? We have to just integrate mod xt square across minus infinity to plus infinity. But looking into this signal, we can directly say this signal is symmetric about y-axis. That means it is mirror image across y-axis. Also, we can say that it is an even signal. So as we know, for even signal, we can write this integration as 2 into integration limits changes from 0 to plus infinity, as 0 to minus infinity is same as 0 to plus infinity. That's why we can write this as 2 into 0 to infinity mod of xt square dt. I hope you all understood up to this. This type of operation we also perform in school mathematics. Now we have to find the equation for xt. So equation for xt will be equation for this line. So what will be the equation of line? Equation of line can be found by different methods. But I will tell you two of those methods. One method is by this formula y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So what is x1 y1 and x2 y2? x1 y1 and x2 y2 are 2 points of the line. We easily can see this point is 1 comma 2. 1 is across x-axis, 2 is across y-axis, and this point is 0 0. So by this formula also we can get the equation of line. One more equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This m is also called slope of the line, and this c is x-intercept of the line. So what will be M? M will be, let's assume this point is point 2, which is x2, y2, and this is point 1, which is x1, y1. Now just we have to put the values for y2, y1 and x2, x1. So it will become 2 minus 0 by 1 minus 0, which is equal to 2. And C is the x-intercept of line. That means the value of x where line touches the x-axis. This is the x-axis. It is crossing x-axis at point 0. So C will be 0. That means equation for our line will become y is equal to 2x. Value of C is 0. Okay. But for this signal, y is mod of xt and x is t. So we can write mod of xt is equal to 2t. This is equation for this line. Okay. Now just we have to put this equation here. Then it will become 2 integration of 2t square dt. And limits will be 0 to not infinity, 0 to 1. As from 1 to infinity its value is 0. That's why we are not writing that part of the signal. So it will become 2 into 2 square will come out as it is constant and integration from 0 to 1 t square dt. It will become 8 into t cube by 3 from 0 to 1, which is equal to 8 into, first we have to put t is equal to 1, which is 1 cube by 3. Then we have to put t is equal to 0, which is 0 cube by 3. It will become 8 by 3. So this is our answer. So energy of this signal is 8 by 3 unit. And what will be the power of this signal? Power of this signal will be 0, as power of every energy signal is 0. We already studied. फिलहाल इस लेक्चर में इतना ही। आई होप आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आया। अगर पसंद आया तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें, अपने दोस्तों में ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें और मेरे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद दोस्तों, जय हिंद।